Good afternoon, Facebook. Like I said, I'm getting ready to set up this film studio. And everything that I got, I'm also applying for a job. TMZ.com, Russia TV, whoever want to buy this. I'm trying to sell this film. Because of the coronavirus, I can't make no money because of my catering. I'm a caterer. Nobody want to do parties. I want to switch up my lifestyle. I want to start making movies. I got 13 movies. I got 14 with Rob Fix, Letters Design. And this is Rob Fix right here. Me and Rob Fix are no longer in communications. Me and Rob Fix had a fallout. He owes me the movie Letters Design. It's my intellectual property, and it's also evidence for my federal investigation. I want to audit because this movie cost me $2.6 million, and the state participated in this fraud. Now everything that Rob Fix got in Letters Design is all right, and I got the originals, cause see, Rob is a white boy, and a white boy can't tell a black man's story. He's been sitting on this story for 13 years. Now, everything that I've been saying in 2006 is right here, right now. Baltimore City Department, the racism, the corruption, this anarchy. You dealing with the things that you reaping what you sowed. So, like I'm gonna tell you, here go Rob Fix. That's Rob Fix. And this baby was born on 4/20. You see that? 9/19/2019. That's me. Jesus had a cross. Martin had a dream. Yeah, Shorty. Malcolm had a gun. Shorty got a toilet. I applied for Martin Luther King's job on February the 6th, 2011. Rob Fix was there when I did it. I was at the Corinthians. It was Super Bowl Sunday. That's what I did on Super Bowl Sunday. I turned in this toilet. That's the movie. I was making a movie about racism. I was showing you the play. See, it says movie about racism in Baltimore County. That toilet was all about Scott Shellenberger, Judge Turnbull, Bobby Zirkin, the Baltimore Black delegation in Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and the laws y'all was writing, the money y'all was making off of black bodies. I got a right to protest. Just like the Westboro Baptist Church, March 3rd, 2011. Supreme Court upheld that. Making a movie about your parole and your probation. Linda Dodge from Parole and Probation Commission. Mr. McGee has a file and the toilet. Jeremy Stemmick, Sam McClain, Sam Cunningham, Angelo Kyle. Jeremy Stemmick had a case in Illinois. He paid his lawyer, Allen, $40,000 to Judge Phillip. Judge Phillip, Judge Rossetti, Judge Boris, Judge Foreman, Judge Bridges. Y'all been taking payoffs. He took a $40,000 payoff to fix a case. That's in Illinois. Now, I came and brought all that information to Maryland. All right? David Irwin, Mike Shue. I was making a movie about it because y'all kidnapped me. I also turned this into the FBI. That's Special Agent Richard McFeely. I won Judge Scott, States Attorney Boris, Public Defender. Because I was showing how lawyers and public defenders and state's attorneys coerce confessions to incarcerate black America. I was talking about the war on drugs. But this white man ain't going to tell that story. You feel me? That white man ain't going to tell that story. So I got to tell the story myself. Everything that Rob Fix and all these messages, get all the messages. You feel me? That's Rob Fix, my producer. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. March 2009. Michael Bush. The Black Caucus. Tony Bridges. Governor O'Malley's office. Thelma Branch. Dear Governor O'Malley. Yeah. This is my third letter to Governor O'Malley. And this is the case right here. Judge Souder. Michael Fields. States Attorney Schellenberger. A $300,000 loss. You feel me? See the email? Richard McFeely, Mr. Dugan, Internal Affairs Division, Commissioner Hyatt. That's my case number right there. And we're going to do this like this. Commissioner Harrison, y'all see me in front of the FOP this morning. That's the President Trump, and that's the Ellen DeGeneres. That's Internal Affairs Department. That's the 2010 case. That's the case that you don't want to talk about right there. Baltimore City Police Department, Internal Affairs. You came to town, I told you, do your job or lose your job. You want to protect the corruption? You can go down too. You can go to jail for this right here. That's Councilman Branch has the shorty program. City Solicitor. That's the cases right there. 24C10. That was a $54 million lawsuit. 07488. That was when you kidnapped me. 08. That's when I filed the charges against Jake. DVD 2/6/2011. All right. Open file. Evidence. You feel me? Rod Rosenstein. Movie release 2/24/2014. Towson Courthouse. That's the case right there. That's the whistleblower. And that's your commissioner protecting Governor O'Malley's mom machine. That's me. I went to jail for the right reasons. And I go to jail for the right reasons. Racism for white people. 101. That's Governor Hogan. All right, that's Governor Hogan. All right, don't want no misunderstandings. I asked for an audit, and I asked the Department of Justice to do this. That's the Department of Justice, and that's for a federal audit. I want to audit into your courts. I want to audit into your TV stations. I want to audit in your police department. And these are my witnesses. It's making a movie about y'all right here. You have raised an issue that does not fall within my jurisdiction in a federal investigation. However, I am forwarding your correspondence to the governor of Illinois, Rod Blagojevich. Blagojevich got this. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear in your documentary. Alright? The documentary was about y'all. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Senator Hardin. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor O'Malley. If Blagojevich can go to jail, I'm getting ready to show you hidden assets. Alright? But like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. And I was doing it out my store. You feel me? That's my store. That's David Wright. Richard Wright. His son is David. He's on my Facebook page. Alright? That's Nancy. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. And like I said, I was making a movie, and this is part of it. This is a movie right here, two of them. Two of the movies is right here. This is when you came to my house in 2010 and put guns in my head. This is the whole case. We're going to put that on film. This is my trial in 2011. I'll beat you in court. We're going to put that on film. The whole trial. We're going to show you how lawyers come forward. I'm going to show you in Baltimore City and Baltimore County the lawyers that work to incarcerate black faces. I'm going to show you the politicians that participate in this. Because like I said, I was making a movie. April 12th, 2008. Dear Mr. Davis. That's the White House. That's my store on Falls Road. That's Melissa Bennett of scheduling at the White House. So let's play the tapes.
They're dying around here, man. You're killing our kids and ain't nobody standing up about it. That's why I'm here. I'm asking my senators and congressmen to stand up for the young black men across America. What you gonna do about us, man? You gonna leave us dying? All right, I just left Senator Lemieux's office. I'm asking all my senators and congressmen to stand up for my rights, like Dred Scott in 1857. I want you to tell me if I'm a free black man in America or am I a slave to your illegal judicial system. I base my case on Watergate, Waukegan Gate, because all of the politicians that are involved in this. You need to lose your job, man.
Watergate, the tapes, the Watergate tapes. I got the shorty tapes. And these shorties tape is not fake. These shorties tapes, man, it's going to send a lot of y'all to jail. 52 of y'all, as a matter of fact, because 52 of y'all participated in this fraud. Governor O'Malley, Lieutenant Governor Brown, the Maryland Black Caucus, T.J. Smith, Delegate Stephanie Smith, Delegate Corey McCray. Y'all participated in this. Sidnor, Y'all participated in this, and I can prove it because I got it all on tape. My testimony in Annapolis is going to prove it. You feel me? I got to get my tapes together. I'm getting ready to finish what I started. Y'all see me on Fox 45 this morning shutting it down. And I'm going to continue to shut it down until you lock me up. You're going to have to charge me with something. You're going to have to give me an audit. You're going to have to charge Scott Shellenberger because, like I said, I was making a movie. The movie was about the Democratic Party and the money y'all make off of the war on drugs. Ain't no law against that. I work for 98 Rock. That's me. That's 98 Rock and WBAL. That's 2009. Yeah. That's Jeff Majors. That's Dick Gregory. That's the Big Fat Morning Show. That's George Clinton, Parliament Funkadelic. That's Jamie Lee Foster Brown and Kathleen Hughes from TV One. I did Marion Barry's birthday party. This was Marion Barry's birthday party. You feel me? These are people that did this movie and this documentary. The movie was about me. You feel me? Barbecue. Using barbecue to make this movie. That's Wesley Lowry. Pulitzer Prize winner from the Washington Post. That's Justin Fenton. And that's Nick Mosby, because Nick Mosby is part of Governor O'Malley's mob machine. Let me tell you the story about Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby. Marilyn Mosby took over after Greg Bernstein. Nick Mosby, Marilyn Mosby, Bilal, John Cardins, Brian Frost. We was all in the same room in 2014 at the NAACP candidacy forum. I ran against Governor Hogan. In 2014. That's my lawyer, John Bailey. That's my lawyer, Karen Levy. And that's the case in Illinois. And that's Governor Hogan. Now, Mick Mosby ran for mayor in 2014 or whatever, the last cycle when Pugh ran. And Mick Mosby gave up that seat because Governor Hogan said he'll reward him with a seat in Annapolis. So he made him a delegate if he didn't run for mayor. That's rewarding bad behavior. You feel me? Let's talk about rewarding bad behavior at CBS with Ed Norris Radio. Ed Norris was a dirty cop, and now y'all got him talking about he's the police reform. That's President Obama. He asked for an investigation. That's Dick Gregory. That's Kathleen Hughes. And that's Shorty. That's Vanessa Herring. I don't see her around no more. That's Diana Suggs, Ian Duncan, Christian Schaefer, Mike Marion, Jeff Abel, Karen Parks, Dakari Turner, Megan Pringle. I gave each one of y'all a piece of something. And if you put all of it together, Gail King got the rest of it. Because I'm showing you the role the media plays in misinformation. I want to audit. The federal and state audit. And I've been asking long enough. That's 2013. We're going to inventory your money. Mayor Stephanie Rollins Blake got a counseling firm, a consultant firm. Mayor Pugh had a consultant firm. We're going to have the Department of Justice look at them consultant firms. Shellenberger got a consultant firm. Hogan got a consultant firm. I'm going to talk about Ed Norris and how y'all using him as a consultant. That's President Trump. That's President Obama. Y'all stole property from me because I was making a movie about y'all. Nick Mosby, your wife is shielding your corruption because that's Marilyn Mosby. I blew the whistle on y'all in 2016. Do your job or lose your job because my testimony is in Annapolis. That's the Department of Justice. And that's Johnny Oleski asking the Department of Justice to investigate my Illinois case in 2007 and that Maryland case in 2011. That's Mr. Robert Hardin. He got all the information. Y'all don't want to do nothing about my illegal incarceration and y'all don't want to compensate me for my losses. I'm applying for a job. I'm applying for a job in Russia, China, Korea, and Cuba. All this information that I got here that Rachel Aragon don't want to talk about, that Fox don't want to talk about, that President Trump don't want to talk about, I'm going to send it to foreign countries because I'm going to ask for political asylum. I'm going to ask for sanctuary. I'm going to ask for my freedom. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Well, that's the president. And that's the case. And that's Fox 45 on June 8th. And that's Governor O'Malley, Governor Hogan right now. The baby was born 420. That's Rob Fix. I'm making a movie. Ain't no movie against. It ain't no law against making a movie. And I use a cell phone to do it. You feel me? Social media for social change. Here you are. Governor O'Malley. Dwayne G. Davis. Get Shorty. You got more Shorty than you could stand. You got me to the 10th or 13th power. You got me.